Hi there, welcome to Friday's market commentary report, and here's my chart of the S&P 500, which is our benchmark index. We can see that we're in a slight little uptrend here. If we just kind of look at the overall trend here, we've got a highs to a lows, lower highs, lower lows. So you can see that we're actually moving in a little bit of a downtrend here. So overall trend here is down. But if we just kind of say what's the current trend, if I wanted to be trading right now, I'd say that I'm slightly a little more bullish. And the reason for that, we can see that our lows right in through here are getting higher, right in through here, and our highs are still moving higher through here. So we got a slight little uptrend here moving up with resistance right up in this level, right up here, right around this 1320 level, and support right down in through here at about 1225 is our support level. So support 1225, resistance 1320. MACDs are still moving up, but kind of flat right in through here. So the markets are not really telling you what they want to do here. It's a very light weekend volume, so you can't really follow it too much. But overall trend, I'd say short term, I'm a little more bullish with resistance at 1320 and support at 1225. And would expect to see after the markets open back up next week, maybe a little more buying start to pick up and the markets rally back up and see if we can't hit this 1325 resistance level. All right, let's take a look at the NASDAQ and see what that's looking like for us. And here's a chart of the NASDAQ. So you see the NASDAQ today was down about 44 points today, right up and through here. So NASDAQ had a little bit more of a bearish day here, but still our overall trend here on the NASDAQ, I'm going to say it's kind of a sideways trend because our lows aren't really getting any lower here, and our highs right in through here. So a little more sideways. So longer term, I'm neutral. Short term here, I'm still just a little bit more bullish on the NASDAQ. I can see that my MACDs down here have crossed just a little bit, but they're not really dropping anymore. The histograms here are still kind of flat. And the index is all it's done really is pull back to this little support level here at about 2360 or so. So it's pulled back to a support level. I would expect to, hopefully without any bad news over the weekend, see some buying coming back in when everybody starts back in on Tuesday and start to bounce back up. So with resistance up here around 2450, so resistance 2450, and support down here at this level right in through here at 2250. Got about 200 point range between the lows and the highs. And right now we're just kind of right in the very middle of that. Dropped a little bit today. But I'm going to go longer term neutral, and short term I'm still just slightly neutral to bullish short term, with the hope that on Tuesday we'll get a little bit of buying. If we fall back down through this level here, the lows here at this 2360 level on Tuesday with some good selling, then we're going to have to go with short term bearish on the NASDAQ. But right now I'm a little more neutral to bullish. All right, hope that helps. Keep an eye on news. News has a tendency to change everything, and I wish you the best. Enjoy the weekend.